SIF offer broad flexibility and can invest in including large cap, mid cap and small cap stocks, sector specific equities and through strategies like sector rotation fund. Across various sectors including sectoral debt funds that invest in at least two industries with a cap on exposure to any single sector. Direct or indirect investments in real estate too. High growth, high risk sectors such as startups and unlisted companies. Investments in infrastructure projects and related instruments. Through hybrid funds, SIF can also allocate commodities and commodity derivatives, including real estate investment trust, infrastructure investment trust, and distressed assets. So, SIF particularly attractive for investors seeking exposure to high growth or niche sectors such as clean energy, technology, startups, and private equity, which are less accessible via traditional funds. Their flexible infrastructure allows fund managers to pivot strategies and sector-based market opportunities and investor objectives.